It is World Autism Day, and the provincial government chose this day to make an announcement about its much-criticized autism plan, which went into effect yesterday. They're going back to the drawing board and holding consultations on how to implement a needs-based plan rather than one-size-fits-all. Not one, but three ministers were at the morning news conference representing health, education, and social services, acknowledging for the first time they were not coordinated and should have been.
It's fair to say that these additional supports have not been leveraged and coordinated to best support families with an autism diagnosis.
So, starting May 1st, the government will launch an online survey to hear from parents, as well as telephone town halls, consultations and roundtables. The information will be fed to an advisory panel. The minister called it an important listening exercise.
I guess, Minister MacLeod, the obvious question is, why didn't you consult with families prior? And it seems like you're taking a massive step backwards and now starting where you should have started months ago.
Thanks for the question. So we had a number of roundtables throughout Ontario. We also know that the previous Liberal government had consulted widely, which was what we used as a template. We were given a target by the Treasury Board, and both financially as well as a timeline to create a new program, which is what we did. We're proud of that plan. As of today, we're going to start to clear the wait list of 23,000 children.
The Ford government lost a lot of political capital on this file, with desperate parents staging protests as they begged the government to change its plan that would have had children receiving the same amount of capped funding regardless of need. Those under 6 will get $20,000 a year. Those over 6 will get $5,000 a year until they turn 18. Intense therapy can cost up to $80,000 a year for children with the highest needs. This announcement is being greeted with some cynicism by the autism community. The government's going to have to work very hard to gain their trust. The minister says children will now start coming off the wait list in the next couple of weeks, with priority given to those under the age of 6 and those who are 17 and about to age out.